What do you say, Sport? You ready to take the car home now?
I don't know. I'm not really sure yet. I'm not really sure, man.
I got you. Hey, look, let's make a deal. Me and you. This is a me and you deal. I'll throw in annual detailing and a free set of wiper blades I'll have waiting for you on my desk on Monday. Sound good? Do it now? Free wiper blades, free details?
I mean, that's nice and all, but I don't know. That really doesn't make the decision for me.
Hey, look, I'm trying to sell cars today, man, so me and you. It's a me and you deal right now, okay? This ain't the dealership. This is me and you. Man and man.
Okay.
I'll throw in 4 new tires. I'll have them out back in my car on Monday waiting for you. You take this car home today. Sound good? Want to take it home now, Sport?
That's very enticing, but I'm not sure yet still.
No, I got you. Well, let's go look at the numbers. I'll throw all that in. Let's go make sure the numbers fit in your pocket, all right?
All right, sounds good.
Come on. All right, what do you say, Sport? You're getting a heck of a deal here. Not only am I throwing in wiper blades, annual detailing, and a free set of tires on Monday with your name on them in my car. You want to take this home now?
I don't know, man. It's really enticing, but I don't really think. I don't know.
Hey, look. Last and final offer, all right? Just for you. I'll throw in all leather mats for you with the tires and wiper blades waiting for you out back on Monday in my vehicle, okay?
I know I did tell you I wanted those. You're going to throw them in? All right. Yeah, we can do that.
Let's do it.
Nice.
You can trust me.
Hey, what's up, man? I was here on Friday, and I talked to Russ. He said a couple things for me.
Oh, Russ quit Friday.
What? He promised me a bunch of stuff. I bought my car Friday.
The promise is left with him. He's gone. Sorry.
All right.